everyone! We are starting with the New Year theme, New Year crafts from paper. I hope you find this topic very interesting, and today I will tell you how to make origami, Santa Claus. It is made very quickly and most importantly simply. Well, let's get started. We will need a square sheet of paper. My square is 10 by 10 centimeters. The size of the square, if you wish, you can take a larger or smaller one. The square needs to be two-colored, white on one side and red on the other. I glued two colors together with double-sided tape, and it turned out just as we need. So let's begin. We need to fold it diagonally. Our square on one side, and also mark the second diagonal on the other side. Now we see we have the markings. We are working on the white side. Fold the top corner to the central point. We see the line is marked like this. Here we have the fold, the red color. Next we need to fold it back, the corner up to the edge, like this. Now we fold it back. We see we have a line here. Now we fold the corner to it, making it even smaller. Fold the bottom corner to this line. And now we can fold it completely along with the corner. Our fold, it will look like this. The top part is ready. Now let's work on the bottom part. We fold it up to the top point again. And now we carefully fold it back to the bottom point. We've worked on this side, now we unfold it the same way to the back side. And here we need to fold the side edges, making a narrow strip on one side and exactly the same on the other side. Now we see the middle line and we fold towards it like this with a corner. Completely. Both sides, one and the other. Now we take these white parts and along the red line we fold the white. It's like this. Straight, diagonally. Here we get a straight angle. Fold it, and we make this bottom fold just as straight. We make a fold like this. We have a white square here, and the same thing happened here. We make a fold along the red line. Straight. We are already forming our Santa Claus, and fold it back, resulting in a straight white square at the back. And now when we turn our figure, we get such a Santa Claus. We see that the arms are a bit crooked. We can adjust them as we like so they stick out. And also draw with a marker the nose and eyes. Our Santa Claus is ready, like this. Here is the size of Santa Claus. It comes from a paper size of 10 by 10 centimeters, and if you make it 20 by 20 centimeters, you'll get such a big Santa Claus. In my opinion, we made an excellent origami Santa Claus. If you also liked it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All the best to you! Happy upcoming holidays! See you soon!